Welcome to the Motomate tutorial Servocycling. The Motomate function Servocycling supports the user assistively during active training, even with minimal residual muscle strength. On the training screen, select the Servocycling button to activate it. The rotary movement now takes place without resistance, and the motor control changes to active mode after less than an active quarter rotation. This change from passive to active mode can have a motivating effect on the user. Further assistive support possibilities are offered by the adjustment of the Servocycling, as well as the adjustment of the oscillating weight. If maximum support from the Motomate is required, you can combine the following settings. Set the oscillating weight to heavy. Set the Servocycling to heavy. Activate the Servocycling function.